This is Prizm Choice 11597. Let's do this thing. Bailey's not even here to react. He's playing FIFA. Saying naughty words online. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Let's find out who's winning the Pistons because, I mean, it's a bit more likely it'll be a Pistons card. All right, goodbye, Pistons. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. As always, 5 times. Top team is the Suns. Again, 5 times. Suns on top. Who's got him? The Phoenix Suns are with Kara Pletcher. Congratulations, Kara. Don't worry, my brain is working pretty slow. Pretty slow. I'm not sure how it's going to be. And Bowman Chrome, I think, is going to be tomorrow. We also don't have our Origins blasters, which is annoying, as far as I'm aware. Silver, Jaylen Brown. Silver, Karl Anthony Town. Tricolor, Millsap. Tricolor, Rashawn Holmes. Tricolor, Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Wow, okay. A green Trae Young autograph. Numbered 7 of 8. That is pretty damn nice. Congratulations, Atlanta. A green Brandon Clark, numbered 2 of 8. And Ty Jerome, number 288. Silver Kobe White, Silver Primo, Tricolor Kelly Oubre, Tricolor Miles Bridges, Tricolor Ray Allen. And for the Magic, it's Jalen Suggs. 8 of 15, Marcus Zagorowski, 6 of 15. And Draymond Green, 10 of 88. Jeez, if Marcus Zagorowski's any good. Nice card. D-Rob, Dylan Wright. Oh, Jesus. Serge Ibaka, Tobias Harris, Rui Hachimura, and Vince Carter. Why Sean? Kelly Olynyk, red to 88. And a blue, Donovan Mitchell, number 239. Yeah, Raptors, Vince. Silver, Deshaun Tate. Silver, Reggie Jackson. Dylan Wright, Hamidou Diallo, Josh Christopher. Auto, Ersan Ilyasova. Marcus Howard, 88. It's not a rookie. For the Magic, oh, you'd want that to be a rookie. It's Cole Anthony. That is Prizm Choice 11597. That was a fantastic little break right there. Congratulations to all those who hit.